Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new client called Laura, and she is a nail tech herself, and she has come to me to have some beautiful nails. So I've gone in and prepped all the nails as usual, and as you may be able to tell, there are slight little bits of acrylic still left on her nails from when she's done them herself, but it's just a clear acrylic and there's no lifting or anything like that, so it's okay just to go ahead and apply acrylic straight on top of that. I've cleaned and removed any bits of pocket lifting or anything, so there's no risk of any kind of infection or reaction. And then I'm coming in with CJP Slush Fairy, and we are literally just doing a really simple set of long, almondy, pointy, I don't think you'd call them stilettos, I don't know, almond, whatever, nails. And yeah, it's quite plain and basic, not really much I can kind of talk to you about. But as always, I go in and build the free edge, especially when I'm doing a longer nail. But to be fair, I do kind of swap and change with each nail that I go on. And then I'll do my cuticle bead and blend it down into the existing product, making sure I've got a nice apex in there as well. And then just feather in that acrylic and product so it's nice and smooth and nice and even. And then I'm going to come in on the ring finger here and just apply a clear base to this nail, because we're going to go in with some glitters on this one. So I'm just applying that clear base as I do all the time. You've seen me do it a million times before. So again, the middle finger and the index finger are just going to be full nails of Slush Fairy. How pretty is this pink? It is so gorgeous. Just a really pretty, girly, pink, shimmery pink. So on this ring finger now, we are coming in with the Glitter Fairy Silver Shine stack, and I'm using the fine, the multi-cut and the chunky cut just in this little S shape. And then I'm also going to pop some flakes, chameleon flakes on there as well. I don't think they have a specific name, I just got them off eBay, they were really cheap. And then I'm just going to dot some of them around on that swirl as well, just to make them really classy and just to break the nails down just a little bit. But we are aiming for that glass tip, so just trying to keep one side of that nice and clear. And then when all the acrylic was applied and it's now ready to file, I'm coming in with my hand file and I'll just do the side walls and just kind of do the shape. And I'll get my client to turn her hand around as well so I can see the shape from her view, which is the most important view. And then once I've shaped all the nails, I will come in with my efile and just go over and debulk around the cuticle area and any bulky areas that need doing. And then I will go in with a sponge buffer, or sorry, a white buffing block, and then just buff over the nails. And then I will clean all her hands, remove all the dust, and we'll come in with our top coat. So the top coat I'm using, as always, is my CJP Tack-Free Top Gloss. It's the best one I've found. I've used quite a few, and this one I just love. My clients' nails come back still shiny. It does not really easily get scratched and stuff like that. I just think it's my favourite one. You can use any top gloss that you like to use if you want to recreate this set. If you do ever recreate my nails, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I love seeing all your work. And then I will cure this in the lamp anyway for 60 seconds. when she comes out the lamp, I will apply cuticle oil, and that's the finished set of nails. There's the little clip. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you, and I'll see you all again in my next one. Bye.